Hey guys, welcome to Techmates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can track your Temu refund status. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your Temu application. Get logged into your account and then select You button. As you do that, you will see this Your Order at the top page. Tap onto it and you will see all of your orders. Swipe into your left, you will see returns. Tap onto it and you will see the item which you have added to your return or refund. If you don't find it here, we will have to talk to customer service. So for that, come back onto You section. Then you will see a headphone icon. Tap onto it. This will lead you to a customer service chat page. And in here, select below, select Contact Us. In here, type in your order ID. My order ID is this, and I would like to get a refund. And once you type in that, you may directly chat with the customer service, provide the information that has been asked to you, and get your refund or your refund status. Just like so, guys, this is how you can solve your problem. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you would like to get a guaranteed answer to a question, join our Techmates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.